In this video, we'll show buy term invested difference in a spreadsheet. Let's begin with age 55. You have 10 years left for retirement. So you retire at 65, that's 10 years left. And you can choose your insurance, your 10-year term insurance, 300,000 or 500,000. And your investment, tax-free savings account, is 100 a month. So at 100 a month, you're contributing every year 1,200 a month. You start with 100 a month today, and you will retire on $14,000 at 65. And annuitize that $14,000, that means $66 of monthly income for the next 25 years. Suppose you don't like the GIC rate because 3% of GIC is very small, although it's risk-free, but it is very slow growth. So you want a higher yield in mutual fund. Go with mutual fund. Now your investment will grow to 20,000, and you can have a monthly income of, and stay invested at 9%. You can have a monthly income of $156.52. If you die too soon, so you have $500,000, your investment can reach only $7,900, but you die at 60. So your family, halfway through the policy, you die at 60, your family can receive 500,000 plus the investment. So, and annuitize that for the next 25 years, your family can survive on 3,953. If you cannot afford a $300,000 term insurance, you go for 400, and your family can have 3,175. Go for 300. Suppose you want higher it, so you want to bump up your TFSA, maximize it to 500, to 100, then 200, 300, 400, and you go to 500. Now your investment can grow to, for 5 years, your investment can go to 39,909 at 9% rate. And you die too soon, your family can survive on 2,645 annuitized from that cash, 39,000, and stay invested at 9% for the next 25 years. Suppose if you live too long, you don't get that benefit because you retired at 65 and your term has already matured, and you can live on $785 a month, so $82 a month for the next 25 years. Suppose you're younger, like 45. So if you live too long, so your investment can grow up to 37,389, and you can retire on 2,626 monthly for the next 25 years. But if you die too soon, you die at 55. So you're 45, you die 10 years later. Your investment can grow up to 100,000 only. But because of the death benefit, your family will receive $400,000. So that's because you have 300,000. You bump that up to 400,000. So you have a $400,000 insurance. So your family can cash out 500,000, or you can max it out 500,000. Go higher depending on how much you can afford. So 600,000. Your family can make 4,674 for the next 25 years. Suppose you're way much younger and you live too long. So your $500 maxed out TFSA can grow to $898,000 because you have 30 years of investment at 9%. And your retirement balance will be $898,000. And annuitize that for a monthly income of $6,990. and for the next 25 years. If you die too soon, so you die at 50, your family will receive the death benefit, which is 500,000 plus the investment, so that's a total of 693,841. Annuitize that to a monthly income of $5,400 for the next 25 years. Suppose you're way much younger, like 25, and you live too long. So upon retirement, because of the long term, you can have a mutual fund, high growth but high risk. That's 9%, sometimes 12%. Your funds can grow up to 2.2 million, and you can annuitize that. You have a $17,000 upon retirement for the next 25 years. What if you die too soon? If you die too soon, you die at 45, you're 25, you die at 45, you only have 20 years of investment. So you're able to make $337,000, but because of the death benefit of $500,000, your family can get $837,000, cash it out or annuitize it for a monthly income of $6,517. So if you live too long, again, you can make 2.2 million upon retirement. But if you die too soon, say you die at 45, your family can cash out the death benefit of 500,000, or you can choose 400,000, whichever you can afford, and annuitize that for the next 25 years. So if it is only 300,000, your family can annuitize that for $4,961 a month for the next 25 years. This completes the use of the functions rate, NPER, PMT, PV, FV in calculating the buy term invested difference in a spreadsheet.